talk about absolute value and opposite numbers. So let's have first a number line. As you can see, the number line consists of positive and negative integers. From 0 going to the right are the positive integers or the positive numbers. From 0 going to the left are the negative numbers. Let's say for example, a house which is located at the origin which is 0. And then I have here a red car. Okay, so the red car traveled going to the left and stopped at -8. Meaning to say, the red car now is 8 units from 0. Let's have another example. Again, the point of origin is 0. This time, let's have a blue car. And it will travel, okay, up to +10. Meaning to say, the blue car now is 10 units from 0. Okay, let's have another example. As you can see, we have a number line. And we have two locations here. We have the school, which is 9 units to the left, and the church, which is 9 units also, but this time to the right of 0. And then we have two kids, which will travel to opposite directions. They will travel to different locations. So the boy will travel to the school, and this girl will travel to the church. Okay, let's see. So you can see that the boy traveled 9 units to the left of 0, and the girl traveled 9 units to the right of 0. So finding the distance of the boy from the origin, which is 0, we have 9 units. The distance traveled by the girl from 0 going to the church is also 9 units. And the distance of a number from 0 on the number line is what we call the absolute value. It tells us how far a number is from 0. So meaning to say, -9, which is the location now of the boy, has the absolute value of 9. And the absolute value of +9, which is the location of the girl, is also 9. Okay, so you already know the definition of the absolute value. Let's have more examples. So let's have the absolute value of +10. What's your answer? Very good, it's 10. How about -7? You're right, it's 7. Let's see. The absolute value of 23 is, very good, it is 23. How about -1? Very good again, it's 1. -14. -14 has the absolute value of 14. And how about the absolute value of 45? You're correct, it is 45. Now look at the results of finding the absolute value of the integers. What can you notice? Nice try. All the absolute value are positive. Meaning to say, in getting the absolute value of any integers, whether it is positive or negative, the result is always positive. The answer is never negative. Good job! Okay, this time, let's have the absolute value of a number using the number line. First, find the absolute value of +3. Again, on the number line, from 0 going to the right, is the set of all positive numbers. From 0 going to the left is the set of all negative numbers. So since we are finding the absolute value of positive 3, from 0 going to the right, 3 units. Okay, so the distance is 3 units. Therefore, the absolute value of positive 3 is 3. Let's have the next one. Find the absolute value of negative 8. Again, let's have a number line. So from 0, and then we have negative 8 here. So we're going to have 8 units. Therefore, the absolute value of negative 8 is equal to 8. Let's try the following. Let's find the absolute value of each integer. Give me the absolute value of negative 12. Very good, it's 12. How about the absolute value of positive 3? Good job, it is 3. How about negative 18? Nice, it has the absolute value of 18. How about negative 7? Correct, it is 7. And then we have 14, and it has an absolute value of 14. Next, how about the absolute value of negative 36? Very good, it is 36. Okay, how about the absolute value of negative 4 plus the absolute value of positive 4? Very good, it is equal to 8. How about the absolute value of 100 minus the absolute value of positive 100? And the difference is 0. You're correct. Next, the absolute value of negative 13 subtracted by the absolute value of negative 7. Correct, it is 6. Next, can you give me the sum of the absolute values of negative 20 and positive 15? Very good, it is 35. How about the total of the absolute values of negative 9 and negative 11? Yes, it is 20. And finally, absolute value of 45 plus the absolute value of negative 20 is equal to 65. Good job! Okay, let's play a simple game. Let's match the words on the red card with its antonym on the blue cards. So let's begin. Can you give me the antonym for decrease? Okay, you're right. It is increase. How about the antonym of the word left? Nice try. It is right. How about for the word west? You're correct again. It is is. How about the antonym for down? Very good. It is up. And backward has the antonym forward. And for the word lose, it is gain. Very good. And as you can see, the words on the red cards are the opposite of the one on the blue cards. In math, we have also what we call opposite numbers. Opposite numbers have the same absolute values. It means they have the same distance from 0. And opposite numbers are also known as additive inverses. Let's say for example, okay, we have a number line again. From 0, going 6 units to the left is negative 6. Getting its opposite, we're going also 6 units, but this time to the right. So from 0, 6 units to the right, we have positive 6. Meaning to say, negative 6 and positive 6 are opposite numbers and also called as additive inverses. Let's have more examples about opposite numbers. These numbers are what we call opposite numbers. So negative 2 and positive 2, we have negative 11 and positive 11, same thing as negative 7 and positive 7, so as negative 35 and 35, negative 0.25 and 0.25, 4 and negative 4, same as positive 3/4 and negative 3/4. We also have positive 15 and negative 15, 60 and negative 60, and also positive 1 and negative 1. And these numbers have the sum of 0. Again, the sum of the opposites, the sum of the additive inverses is always 0. Let's see if you have learned something today. Can you identify the words being described in each sentence? Let's try the first one. It is the distance of a number from 0 on the number line. Very good. It is absolute value. How about the second one? Numbers that have the same distance from 0. You're right. We are talking about opposite numbers. Let's try the third one. They are integers less than 0. Good job! Those are negative integers. And the last one, integers to the right of 0 are what we call very good. Those are positive integers. You did a great job. Now, for your assignment, search for the definition of the following terms. We have sum, minuend, like signs, product, difference, quotient, unlike sign, and subtrahend. The following words are very useful in our next discussion.